Okay, on the Asado, we have where the LED lights are. There's this little kind of weld mark that comes through there, and the way you'll get that is get one of these like Scotch-Brite, like an 80 grit type of cloth here, and then you'll get some. It's a light grit. They call this one, much for the finer scrubbing after you get done using the coarse one. And you'll go down here and make sure you don't have any kind of coating on there when you first got it. And you're going to go ahead and use the finer one. That's all you have to do.